welcome.
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 Welcome to the Harvard Alumni Entrepreneurs Startup World Cup. From the yard to the world stage, where bold ideas are coming alive.
To compete for the $1 million grand prize. You guys are in for such a treat.
So be engaged.
So go for it.
I'm Emily, and I'm the founder and CEO of Juniper.
My name is Pablo La Puerta, and I am the founder of Forum Therapeutics.
I am Adi Beitler, and I'm co-founder and CEO of Nihilist.
I'm James, CEO and founder of Autonomo.
My name is Gadiz Tesfaye. I'm the founder and CEO of Yene Health.
My name is Daniel Ahn. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Delphi.
I'm Pankaj Agarwal, founder and CEO of Tag Hive.
My name is Aditya, and I am the co-founder of QPilot.
My name is Dobrin. I'm founder of Neurospec Technologies.
I'm Pete Blackshaw, founder and CEO of BrandRank.
I'm Jeff McChesney, the CEO and founder of Target Arm.
My name is Lama Mansour, and I am the founder of Soteri Skin.
This isn't just another pitch competition, so get ready. It's going to be an exciting event.
Congratulations. I wish you all the best.
Good luck.